Greetings and welcome to Viral Grabbers Worldwide. Today's episode is about 25 simple, natural nail care solutions you can try yourself. The key to having healthy nails is using the proper products in conjunction with good diets. Your nail problems won't be solved alone by manicures. Instead, frequent maintenance and care are required for your nails. So here are some advice and tactics for taking care of your nails. Watch more to learn these tricks and techniques for keeping your nails looking good. 1. Maintain a clean and dry manicure. All issues begin with bacteria and germs. Make sure there is no chance for them to reproduce. Regularly clean your nails, and after washing, be sure to let them air dry. Moreover, it stops bacteria and debris from growing under your nails. Don't go overboard, though. Leaving your nails in water for an extended period of time might cause splits. It is important to use gloves when washing dishes to protect your fingernails. Also, you must make sure that the skin surrounding your nails is clear of filth. We advise using a toothbrush to gently exfoliate your nails and the area surrounding them after coating it with salt. 2. Don't nibble on your nails. Biting your nails seriously harms them. The touch with your saliva not only weakens and brittles your nails but also gives them a pitiful appearance. Your cuticles are also harmed by it. What's more, putting your fingers in your mouth allows bacteria and other toxins to invade your mouth. To help you quit chewing your nails, we suggest that you use a nail polish that smells unpleasant and deters you. Dinotonium benzoate. A clear, bitter-tasting nail lacquer is applied to the fingernails to cure onychophagy, the medical term for nail biting. 3. Keep your cuticles healthy. Cuticles are extremely fragile and readily tear. An important aspect of nail care is taking proper care of your cuticles. Handle a hangnail gently and cut it if necessary to prevent it from sticking out and aggravating the pain. Avoid biting or picking at the cuticles. Make sure to hydrate your cuticles by massaging either coconut or almond oil into them to provide them with nourishment. 4. Maintain hygiene. Regularly clean your nails, and make sure to wash and sanitize all of your nail care supplies. Avoid letting your nails grow too long since this makes it simpler for debris to collect beneath them. To keep bacteria at bay and shield your nails from pathogens, apply natural disinfectants such as tea tree oil. 5. Use a moisturizer. Both dryness and flakiness in the skin and on the nails are undesirable. Because they are so fragile, nails frequently break off. To strengthen them, moisturize them. Choose from a variety of hand lotions, cuticle oils or creams, or moisturizing oils to keep your cuticles and nails healthy and beautiful. 6. Regularly trim. Similar to how routinely cutting your hair is good for its health, doing the same for your nails is beneficial. Use a nail cutter to cleanly cut them. Spend a little time every few weeks trimming and shaping your nails any way you prefer. It is preferable to trim your nails straight across before rounding or square off the tips. 7. Cover your assets with a base coat. Your nail is covered in a shielding layer called a base coat that keeps your skin from fading and stains from getting on your nails. As a result, the polish applies more smoothly and prolongs the life of your manicure. You should thus use a base coat the next time you decide to paint your nails since it is worthwhile. Consider purchasing a base coat nail polish that contains keratin, vitamin E, castor oil, and calcium to hydrate, nourish, and strengthen your nails. The other moisturizing and nourishing elements to watch out for include soy proteins and bamboo extract. 8. Add a top coat to finish it off. A top coat provides your manicure a polished, professional look and extends the life of your nail color by preventing easy chipping. Depending on the style you want, you can select from a variety of top coats. For example, if you want a matte finish, select a matte top coat. A good nail trick is to apply a top coat to your nails every few days to help your manicure stay on longer. 9. Never peel nail polish with scraping. The worst thing you can do to them is scrape off your nail paint. Your nails become uneven and spotty as a result. Moreover, it removes the top layer of your nails. Moreover, you must apply the nail paint in 2 rounds of thin coats rather than covering it in one heavy coating of color to stop the polish from peeling off on its own. Do not peel or scrape your nails. Use acetone nail polish remover instead. 10. Wear gloves to protect your hands. This is for you if you handle all of your own household duties. Many of your cleaning detergents contain chemicals that, when they come into contact with your nails, will harm them. Wearing gloves is an easy way to protect your nails. After using your gloves, be sure to thoroughly wash them and then dry them outside in the sun to sanitize them. 11. Avoid using acrylics and gel polish. Although gels and acrylics are undoubtedly very attractive, they sadly do a great deal of harm to the nails. Avoid them completely if you can. Numerous chemicals found in the acrylic powder can enter the bloodstream through the vulnerable nail bed. The skin around your hands and nails is damaged by the UV lamps used in gel manicures. If you are set on this particular nail look, a better alternative would be to choose press-on ones since they are less harmful and simple to use. 12. File your nails in a single direction. Gently and slowly move in one direction. Otherwise, the nails deteriorate and crack too soon. Additionally, filing in the same direction makes it simpler for you to shape the tip in the desired way and helps you achieve a smooth tip. Aggressively filing them can break your nails and encourage splitting. Start by filing the nail from one corner to the center, then the opposite corner to the center, or the other way around. This method preserves the edges of your nails while assisting you in achieving a smooth finish. 13. Put an end to water-based manicures. Water-based manicures should be avoided because the nail polish tends to chip faster. When dipped in water, your nail bed absorbs water and expands, then returns to its original shape when removed. Applying nail polish while the nail bed is expanded is not a good idea because the nail paint cracks, resulting in chipping. Instead, opt for an oil-based manicure, in which you use an oil-based formula to cleanse your nails and nail beds. 14. Select safe polish. When selecting a nail polish, you must exercise extreme caution. It is critical to select a 3-free polish. This means it is free of the toxic trio, which includes dibutyl phthalate, DBP, toluene, and formaldehyde. According to research, these 3 nail polish ingredients are endocrine-disrupting chemicals, EDCs. As a result, they are extremely hazardous to human health. Eating with painted nails is also not a good idea because bits of the nail paint can chip and fall into the food, eventually getting inside your body and causing harm. Instead, opt for eco-friendly and cruelty-free natural and chemical-free nail paints. 15. Use a buff instead of a color. A natural look is appealing on any day. Instead of painting your nails, which still contains chemicals even if you use the most natural brands on the market, buff your nails. Buffing the nails elevates and shines them. To avoid ruining the texture of your nails, remember to buff gently and not too frequently. 16. To avoid brittle nails, use cuticle oil. Maintain your nails by providing them with regular nourishing treatments. A weekly manicure will keep them healthy and strong. After the treatment, apply cuticle oil to your nails to nourish them. 17. Extend the life of your manicure. A series of steps must be followed in order for your manicure to last. Remove all nail polish, then apply a cuticle softener and soak your hands in warm water for 5 minutes. Then, using a cuticle pusher tool, gently push back your cuticles. File and buff your nails. Apply a base coat, then 2 layers of nail paint, and finally a top coat. Allow them to air dry. To prevent the paint from peeling and chipping, reapply the top coat every few days. If this occurs, file off the chipped nail and reseal it with a top coat. To repair a chipped nail, apply a thin layer of white coat, the French manicure method. 18. Trim nails straight across. To avoid ingrowth, cut your nails evenly. Do not allow your nails to grow too long. Keep them level and even for a neat appearance. Growing your nails too long causes them to become long and curved, which can lead to problems such as broken skin and ruptured cuticles. It's best to keep them short and round at the tips. 19. Select an effective remover. Choose acetone-free nail polish removers because they are gentler on your nails and skin. Choose removers from reputable and long-lasting brands. 20. Experiment with natural nail strengthening treatments. You can strengthen your nails by using conditioning treatments. Conditioners with CF formulas are an excellent choice. They hydrate and nourish your nails, promoting their health and strength. 21. Eat a healthy diet. Everything is fixed by eating well. Nail problems are caused by a poor diet, and issues such as brittle nails are caused by a calcium deficiency. It must be present in sufficient quantities in your diet. For healthier and stronger nails, include vitamin E, protein, iron, vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium in your diet in the form of nuts, beetroot, soy, beans, lentils, whole grains, greens, and so on. 22. Stay away from nail hardeners that contain the toxic trio. To protect your nails from everyday hazards, use a non-toxic nail hardener that is free of the toxic trio of dibutyl phthalate, DBP, toluene, and formaldehyde. 23. Keep clear from Russian manicures. The Russian manicure, also known as deep cuticle cutting, is considered invasive. Many states, provinces, and countries have made invasive manicures illegal because they harm the skin and make it more susceptible to infections. This infection risk can last for many hours, if not days. 24. Avoid rough emery boards. When filing natural nails, use a nail file with a 100 to 180 fine grit. Choose one with a rough texture that does not harm your nails and is finished in a way that does the job well. 25. Remove extra polish from cuticles. While painting your nails, you're bound to get some color on your cuticles. For a neater manicure, clean it up with nail polish remover. Dip an earbud in nail polish remover and gently wipe the paint away from the cuticles. You should treat your nails the same way you would your skin or hair. Even if you get professional manicures and pedicures, take the time to care for and protect your nails. Maintaining healthy nails can be made easier if you take the right approach. These healthy nail tips can help you get there faster if you follow them. Simple lifestyle changes, rather than expensive nail equipment, are the most effective way to achieve stronger, healthier nails. We appreciate you viewing Viral Grabbers worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Press the notification button to get reminded of new videos the coming week. On our channel page, we also have a ton of other videos in our playlist. We'll talk soon, bye!